Hey guys, good morning. I will just take you guys along with me throughout my week because I think you guys enjoy my weekly vlogs, mga ganong klaseng videos. So, yeah. By the way, look at my case. I bought this from Shopee. Look how cute. It's like mushrooms. Colorful mushrooms. I have my water here. So my breakfast is hot dog, buttered vegetables, and of course, kanin. Hindi pwede mawala yung kanin. By the way guys, if you didn't know, it's already my summer break. So this is not an online class vlog. So, ayun, last week pa kami natapos yung klase namin. And tomorrow, Wednesday, it's actually our virtual moving up or recognition. So, yun. For today, my plans are baka sumama ako kay mama, tulungan ko siya mag-grocery. I might decorate this wall also. If dumating na yung mga posters ko, magsisimula na ako mag-decorate doon. And yeah. I bought some posters for my wall. So, I know it's a weird angle pero nasa kama kasi ako. And it's currently 5 p.m. Sakto, 5 p.m. talaga. And I'm getting ready. Konti lang naman, hindi naman full on. Baka mag-tint lang ako because we're going to the groceries. I'm going to help my mom do the groceries. So, I'm just gonna do my makeup real quick. guys, good morning. So it's the next day. Kakagising ko lang. Andun kasi yung phone ko. And it's 8:17 a.m. And ngayon, di ba nag-grocery kami kahapon, even though konti lang yung clips. I want to give you guys a haul kasi di ba parang sa mga YouTubers na nag-grocery, they always do a haul after. So why not, di ba? Konti lang din naman to, hindi siya ganun kadami. So let's start with this first bag. So first I have some gummy candies because hilig ako sa ganito. Ito talaga yung candy na gusto ko. They're gummy candies. These are sour gummy worms. Next, we have toyo. This is our toyo. Ito yung favorite naming toyo. It's the Knorr seasoning. Actually, hindi siya toyo, pero we use it as toyo. Pero, ayan. And we have chili powder. This one naman is nacho papa. It's like the tortilla chips because gusto ko mag-nachos. Then, bumili na lang ako ng dip ko. This one is the salsa tortilla dip. Chunky hot. So, maanghang siya. And this one is from the brand Cantina. Ayan. And ito, pinaka-excited ako dito because naubos na kasi yung kape ko na usually ginagawa ko, and nag-order kasi ako ng coffee machine and wala pa siya, sis. So, ito yung tatry ko ngayon. It's the Carmela Latte by Nescafe Cafe Creations. And sana masarap siya. I will try it later. I got 3, then mama got a big one. And these are the frozen vegetables. Yung may peas, may carrots, may corn. Also got me plain corn lang. Kasi sabi ko gusto ko gumawa ng sweet corn. I have 2 different types of opos. It's spam. This is my favorite also. I like to do spam fries with this. So, yay! Spam! I have 2 milk. I have here Arla Organic Low-Fat Milk. And yan, dalawa lang. Actually, kay mama to. Kasi hindi naman ako naglo-low-fat milk. I usually, meron pa kasi akong milk sa ref ko. So, kila mama to. Ang milk ko dun is yung Magnolia. Magnolia fresh milk lang. Yeah, chippy. This is my mom's. I don't eat chippy. This is the garlic and vinegar chippy. We have Coffee Mate. This is my mom's also. The last 2 items, which are Nescafe Classic coffee. Ayan, sa mom ko to. Then, alcohol.
Grade 5 Blue. Francesca Maria V. Enrique. Grade 2.
It's me.
Stephanie D.C. Concepcion.
With honors. Ito yung pipaint ko. It's actually parang ginawa ko siyang nightstand. Actually, kay mama tong parang cabinet na to. And, ayan, dinala ko siya dyan. Pero kasi may damage siya dito, as you can see. Planning to decorate this top while I'm letting the paint dry para diba ready na siya. So decorate ko lang to and yeah. here a candle, 2 fake books, a rattan, I think this is rattan, na coaster. I have like rings and yeah, accessories. I have my AirPods. I'm going to put the links down below if you're interested to buy an AirPods. And I have here a lamp and fake flower vase and fake tulips. So now that is done, this is done, I'm planning to put like my posters there kasi diba dumating sila kahapon, and I have it all in here on my bed. I'm planning to put this one. I got the inspo from Fernando Ramirez for this one, and luckily I found it on Pinterest, the poster. So ayan sila. Planning to put it there. So I will work out, right, chicken? Because we're going to have a outing sa Sunday, and I need to have that hot girl summer body. So
Missing someone.